The world's best cheesecake is ready, made out of leftover cheese and biscuits. Mama, I can tell you guys. Believe me. Try this and you will know how tasty it is. And then you can assess my pastry skills. Cheers, guys. Enjoy. So today it's going to be a quick and easy cheesecake recipe with the leftover cheese. For this I have around 70 grams of cheddar cheese, 70 grams of mozzarella. They are here. I'm going to put in a mixie and mix it together. And then I have 2 tablespoons of flour, all-purpose flour, 70 grams of sugar, 3 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and then 50 grams of salted butter and 100 grams of digestive biscuits. This is for the biscuit base. And I've got some cream cheese, 250 grams of cream cheese. Spread, it's a spread, remember it's a spread. Okay, so for the biscuit base it's going to be 170 degrees for 10 minutes, and then for the filling will be 150 for 45 to 50 minutes. Okay, now I've got also my baking tray with the baking paper, and let's get started. I'll just mix my or crumble my mozzarella and the cheddar. Oh, that's it. All right. Okay, so to do the base, I will crumble my biscuits by hand, and then we will use the mixer. There you go. Clarified butter. I use a microwave, so you could use a spoon if you like. And then if you feel the butter is a bit less, you can add more, but be a bit careful. The only way to test it is hold that way. Then it should be all. So now we will transfer this into the baking tray and we will form the base at the bottom. Okay. So that way, don't worry about all the shape and all these things. The most important thing is the flavor, and you have to know that we are making this cake with leftover cheese and biscuits. Oven is preheated. We will dump it in here, 170 for 10. We make the dough. We add the flour, we add the sugar, and we will crack the eggs one by one. We have 3 to go. 1, sorry, okay, oh sorry, okay, 2. There you go. Number 3. Adding the cheese from the mixie which I had added the cream cheese, and we start again to mix. It's good, so we will shut it off. That's it, we'll switch it off. And it looks pretty base good. Is ready. The batter, the cheese batter is ready. All from remaining leftover cheese lying in the fridge. So let's now pour it evenly. It will take its shape. Don't worry. Don't have to panic. The batter is in the tray. I've kept this a bit higher so I can catch it later to pick it up. The oven, but I put some water here. I believe water will help in the slow baking process. So let's keep water here, and then let's wait and see. After 45 minutes, let's check it. 5 minutes and looks pretty good. We'll take it out, cool it down. Amazing. So let it cool down, and then we will put it in the fridge, and then we will slice it. Okay, out from the tray, and I've kept it here for it to cool down, and then we will put it in. I'm putting it in the fridge because I need to open this very nicely. Okay, it should not stick to the cake. Open the fridge. There you go. It's cool down. Looking good. Very good. Well done. Happy. Now let's do the cutting ceremony. Most enterprising part of the entire exercise is now going to be revealed. There you go. Enterprising part. This is serious, guys. Oh my God. Wow. Make sure you enjoy the biscuit base. Very easy and very tasty. Okay. There you go. This is a very tasty cheese cake you can make, and it is very easy.